Hi there, this week's packet is dated March 8th through March 12th. Okay, this is Watching Weather Change. Now this is a lot higher story than last week. So if you need to break it down into a couple days, break it down. Okay, but this is an important one. Okay, it's all about the different weather. Okay, so you're gonna go through that story and read it with your child. Remember to have them touch the clouds in the sky or even the page number, whatever you need to keep them focused. Okay, where's the snowman? Touch the snowman. Good job. All right, we have a communication board. Okay, the communication board asks them comprehension questions to see if they understand what you read. Okay, then we have the comprehension questions. Okay, remember to cover up an answer choice and have them choose between two choices. All right, see if they can do that. There are 5 questions. Sorry, I keep sticking. All right, our writing for the week is going to be these words. Okay, but remember, if your child can't trace the whole word, you can either do it with them, hand over hand, or you can just focus on the horizontal or vertical lines. Or if, say they're in their IEP, it's the letter D, have them just trace the letter D or just the parts that make up a D. So like the straight line and then circles, and only do those throughout. Okay. The next thing, this is sorting. Okay, in the classroom they do a lot of this. Okay, during science social studies time with task boxes. So they're sorting cold and sunny and hot and sunny. Or I'm sorry, cold and snowy and hot and sunny. Okay, here are the pictures. Okay, the first couple, you're gonna have to remind them. Okay, when do we wear snow boots? Brr, when it's cold, and point which circle it goes in. Okay, but they all should be able to do this. This is something, like I said, we practice a lot in the classroom. Okay, next we are counting to 20. Okay, counting page just like last week, it's just up to 20 now. Touching counts, let them hear you counting out loud, okay? The more you do that, the more it'll sink in. The next thing, it's a little, last week we did the tornado in a jar. This week we're making a rain cloud. A cute little craft, okay? You just use a little half of a paper plate and some cotton balls, glue it down, okay? And I even had some of the clouds that you can glue in there. And there's snowflakes, okay, or the raindrops if you would like to use any of them to build your craft. And don't forget, as you're making these crafts and doing these things, or even doing a worksheet with your child, take a picture of them and send them to me on Class Dojo so I can see that they're doing the work. Okay, and the last thing, it's a science magazine this week. Science Spin. Remember, you can go to the website at the top, and there's a video, there's a game. Makes it a little more interactive. The kids are kind of more into it when it's on the computer or an iPad. All right, and you can go through and read this out loud with them. Okay, and then you can try and do this with them. Once again, there's 3 answer choices for the 2 questions there. Cover one of those answer choices. I'd really like them only choosing between the 2. Okay, and just do the best you can. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Once again, this was packet March 8th through March 12th. All right, good luck. See you next week.